everyone. By the authority delegated to me by the Schools Division Superintendent of DepEd Lapu-Lapu City Division, Dr. Marilyn S. Andales, and by the facts and figures presented by your school principal, Ms. Christy Marie P. Popadora, that these 17 candidates for moving up, 7 of which are boys, 10 of which are girls, have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements as prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby confirm you're moving up to the next highest level, wherein it will be Kindergarten 1, Grade 1, to any public and private schools in the Republic of the Philippines. Congratulations!
Right, thank you very much to our EPS